What's up everybody, it's Lou with the Outdoor Drive, and today we are going to do an unboxing of the Latitude Method 2 saddle. We're going to go straight from in the box to on the platform. Alright, so straight out of the box we got the saddle. We have the waist belt and the bridge. The bridge comes already attached. Got a Prusik knot on the end to adjust your bridge height. And then we have next, we got in the bag the ultralight 10mm tether. Comes equipped with the Prusik knot and carabiner already on it. Next we got the 10mm linesman belt. Same thing. It's got the Prusik for adjustment, and I believe, yes, this one has 2 carabiners on it. So you can disconnect from either side if you need to go around a limb or anything like that. And then it also comes with the Method dump pouch, and these are the leg straps that go around here for the saddle. Alright, I'm gonna get these opened up and show you how to put it on. Alright, so the first thing we do is we're going to take our leg straps. I'm going to hook them onto this loop in the back here. Just like that. Next, I'm going to take the saddle. We're going to step into it. I'm going to take our waistband, tighten that up so it holds it in place. Next, I'm going to take our leg straps. We're going to hook them up to these loops right here on the inside, and you can tighten them down. Same thing. Tighten them down, and now you got your saddle on, ready to go. Alright, so I got the Method 2 starter kit, which comes with the dump pouch. So in the dump pouch, first thing I got on the bottom is my tether, because that's the last thing I'm going to set up. Thing on top is my linesman belt. So as soon as you get to the tree, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to hook one side up. It's going to go right onto these loops right here, not your bridge loops. You have a different loop for the linesman belt. I'm going to take this, we're going to go right around the tree. It's a pretty big tree here, so bear with me. Okay, I'm going to connect it to our other side. Now we're going to snug it up. Make sure we're caught here. And we're going to step up. Snug up your linesman. Alright. Now I'm going to take our tether. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to take the loop side. I'm going to put it around the tree. Usually like to go about head height. And you're going to take your carabiner, Prusik knot, everything, go right through the end. Okay. Now, take our bridge. Connect that carabiner to it. And keep this the height you want it. I'm going to loosen up our lineman belt and sit right into that saddle. Now you're in a saddle position. You know, you can raise this up if you want. Once you're set up and ready to go, you can disconnect your lineman belt and just hang from the saddle. This is one of the safest ways to climb. You're always connected while climbing the tree. And throw that. Now obviously you would take, you know, maybe a gear strap would be at the bottom. Take your gear strap out and you know, you can set that up, you know, wherever you want it, height wise, and that's about it. And then you can adjust, you know, this is the 2 panel, so I can slide this top panel up, bottom panel down until I get nice and comfortable here. There we go. There's the Method 2 saddle.